So Instagram have just dropped Instagram TV, which means you can now share long form videos up to an hour long, which is brilliant for creators. And as of right now, today, it's only just come out, and it'll be interesting to see how it's going to evolve over time. But as of now, you can only upload vertical videos. You can only upload videos in a vertical phone kind of format. And inevitably already it might cause a bit of controversy, and there's people complaining that they can't share horizontal videos, landscape size video. So here's how you can make it work for you. I'm just in Final Cut and I've got a new event, new project called Insta Vertical Vid Template. This is going to be a template project for making my vertical videos. And I've got a film that is at the minute just in normal 16:9 aspect ratio, but I want to make this into a vertical Instagram TV video. So the standard aspect ratio is 16:9, but for a vertical phone size it's actually flipped so that the aspect ratio becomes 9:16. So in Final Cut, what I do is click on my project here, I go over to modify, and I've got a standard 1080p video format, 1920 by 1080. So I click on there and I want to go down to custom, and I can actually change this resolution now. So at the minute 1920 times 1080 is a 16:9 ratio. I want it to be 9:16, so I'm just flipping this round, so this becomes 1080, and I'm going to make this one 1920. So it's now, rather than being 1920 by 1080, 1080 by 1920. Hit OK, and you can see in my timeline here that it's created a slim vertical looking project. So I just need to drag my regular film into here now, and it will fit to the size of my new aspect ratio. That fits the file format and it's ready to be exported. But you've got all this blank space here and here that you can make use of, and this is where you can kind of get creative with it. But for me, I'm just going to put a generator. I'm going to make that white, put the film over the top, drag this over, so that's making the whole background white, and I could put some text over that as well. I'm going to make this text black, and I'm just going to put the name of the couple, change to my usual font so it's all on brand, and then what I'm also going to do is chuck my logo in as well, stretch these out so they fill the whole film. You can get creative with it, you can fill it with anything. You could use, obviously you could use text, you could use subtitles, you could have links or calls to action, you could have a logo in there, you could have all sorts of annotations or text. So that's the finished film, and I just export that out and it's ready to be uploaded to Instagram. And of course, once you've got your vertical video, you can clip snippets out for Instagram stories, or you could just post it as a normal Instagram post. You get the idea. You can upload these straight to the desktop version of Instagram as well, which is dead handy and it makes sense. So nice one, Insta, for that. But yeah, Instagram TV, it's here, long form video. I think it's going to be big, and it's going to be interesting to see where it goes, especially if you get a little bit creative with it. And I know this is a little bit abrupt and a little bit of a random upload, but I wanted to get this video out while it's up. The Instagram TV stuff's all still fresh. So there still will be Friday tips video coming out tomorrow. 2 for 1. You're welcome. All right, see you later.